Good afternoon, and thank you, Justin, for the June the 5th mortgage market update. As you realize, Justin had said that the market as of 8:10 in the morning was unchanged from yesterday. So I kind of delayed to see if things got a little better or a little worse before reporting what the effect of today's market was or is. And the good news is that the rate has gotten better. So we can compare, what it would cost for the same mortgage product that we quoted and discussed yesterday. So just for those of you who are joining us for the first time, my name is Lynn Chase, and I am a paralegal professor emeritus from Pikes Peak State College, where I taught for several years in the paralegal department. And I'm also the broker owner of the Commercial Loan Arranger, which you may see on my website, does business as Age-in-Place Mortgage. Now, what my goal here is to be the number one mortgage education website in Colorado Springs. So what I am attempting to do here is to tailor these daily updates and the effect of what the market changes would have or will have upon Colorado Springs mortgage rates. So, it is my firm belief, knowledge drives confidence. Confidence drives success in any endeavor, but especially when you're talking about Colorado real estate. So if you recall, this is a pricing engine, and what we've plugged in here is that we're going to want to know what is the interest rate going to be on a 30-year fixed mortgage if we are purchasing a $500,000 property, putting 3% down, which means $15,000 down. That gives us what we call in the mortgage industry a loan to value of 97%. So a 3% down mortgage. I have used the parameters here and will continue to do this as it's really the only fair way to compare a person with a 780 credit score and a 22-day interest rate lock. Now we can talk quite a bit about interest day locks. Any kind of a advertisement that you get or even a request that you get about, what interest rate would you charge for a certain kind of a loan. As you can see here, the rates changed from this morning to 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern time today. And until you actually have a rate locked in with a mortgage company, it's subject to change hourly. So I'm using here that if we locked this in for 22 days, which would be sufficient time with the lenders that I use to be able to close a purchase agreement, that would give us a result that in today's interest rate, the best option would be a conforming conventional 30-year fixed, and the rate would be 6.388. Now, when you compare that to yesterday's rate, yesterday was 6.445. So the result of that was that yesterday, your principal and interest payment on this $485,000 loan was going to be $3,045.01 a month for 360 months. But with this lower rate, it's going to be $15.12 a month less than yesterday's rate. In other words, $15.12 might not sound like a significant difference, but given 360 months, that's $5,443.20, which it starts to become somewhat substantial. Now, even better, as we scroll down and look at the the special product that United Wholesale Mortgage Company has. They have what they are calling a 0% down 30-year fixed. So instead of paying 3% down, United Wholesale Mortgage will loan you a silent second. They'll loan you the 3%. You only pay that back once you sell or refinance. So you don't make any payment on that 3%. So yesterday's rate on that zero down purchase was 6.625 with a monthly mortgage payment of $3,106.57 on that $485,000 loan. Today, as you can see, the rate has dropped to 6.497, so the monthly principal and interest is going to be $3,064.57, and compared to yesterday, June the 4th, that means that your monthly payment is $42 a month less, and of course multiply that times 360 months. You would save over the life of the loan based on today's price versus yesterday's, you'd save $15,120. The point, of course, of providing you with these daily updates is to give you an idea of just how much fluctuation there is in the daily interest rates and some of the components and things that make up those differences. So, you can see that we compared the same product, the same options as we did yesterday, and that, even though this morning Justin told us that the market was unchanged, by 1 o'clock this afternoon Eastern time it had changed and did make $15 a month or $42 a month difference in the loan that you decided that you'd like to pursue in purchasing a home. If you want to take a look at how this might impact your particular situation, if you would like for me to price a loan for you, please just give me a call. My number is 719-360-6015, or you can email me at Lynn, Lynn, at ageinplacemortgagecompany.com, and we can have a little conversation and talk about what you think your FICO score might be, how much money you would like to borrow to purchase a property, and we can give you a quote. So again, thank you very much for your interest. As always, have a good day.